Hey there, fabulous dancer, and welcome back to my channel. Or if this is the first time that you've visited me here, thank you so much for joining me. I'm thrilled that you are here. In this video, I'm going to take you through a fabulous warm-up that is specifically built for belly dancers that you can use before your belly dance practice every single day to get you warmed up and ready to move. So if you're ready to do this, join me here. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe so that I can send you brand new belly dance content every single week. Let's dance. All right, take a nice deep breath. Roll those shoulders back and down. Nice tall spine, ready to get warmed up. And take it over and down, release it all. Bend one knee and bend the other knee. Slowly roll it up. And once you make it up, roll those shoulders back and down. You got it. All right, let's backstroke with the arms. One and then the other. And let's take it forward. Here we go. Forward strokes. Now you're going to widen your stance. Take the hips side to side. Nice big movement. Keep it soft and gentle as you warm up. Circle the arms. Good. Let's root the feet. We're going to reach with the arm. Let the spine articulate. Think you're moving from the hips to the chest, shoulder to the wrist. A little faster with the step touch. Step, touch, step, touch. Good. Really allowing that energy to flow all the way through the body. Good. Take a deep breath up through the center. Take it over to the side, halfway. Nice flat back. We're going to pulse down here. Nice long spine. 2 more pulses. Then release it over that right foot. Circle it around to the center. Over the left foot. Bring it up. Right arm up over the head. Pull it back and center. Same thing other side. Nice deep breath in. Take it over to the side. Nice flat back. We're going to pulse 4, 3, 2. Engage those abdominals. Release over the left leg. Come to the center. To the right. Come around. And release here. Good. Bring the feet underneath you. Let's front crescent. 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 And crescent. Bring the arms up. Good. Hold it here in the back. Now take it to the back, nice and slow. And around the other way. So back crescent. Good. Now let's take it all the way around, counterclockwise. Front and back. Front and back. Good. Let's hold it here on the left to repeat to the other side, front and back. Front and back. Good. Last one here. Bring it to the center. Reach one arm up. Bend that knee. Switch. Let's go a little faster. 1, 2, 3. Good. Hips going up, up, up. Using the knees. Take a deep breath. Nice and loose. Relax. And now we'll make it into a faster shimmy. Let it jiggle and be nice and big. Not too tight. Nice and big using those knees. Yeah? Nice deep breath. Moving on to the chest. Here we go. We're going to lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. Add a shoulder shimmy maybe. Good. Let's take it to a really juicy undulation. Up, down, tuck, release. Up, down, tuck, release. Nice. Do a couple more just like that. Good. Let's push through the feet. We're going to push feet and feet. Bring the arms up. Almost there. Strike your pose. So how did that go? This is literally part of the warm-up that I do for my students online and here in my classes in Houston every single day. So I hope that you enjoyed it. If you use it, drop me a line and let me know. I would love to know that you're enjoying the warm-up and putting it into your regular belly dance practice. Hey there, fabulous dancer. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then you are going to love the 7-Day Beginner Belly Dance Jumpstart, which is a free program aimed to get you into a belly dance movement practice with ease and grace, confidence and joy. Come and find out what people all over the world have discovered in the ancient art of belly dance in this free 7-day program. Once a day for 7 days, I'm going to send you a belly dance tutorial. It's short and sweet, 10 to 15 minutes max, and it'll get you up and dancing every single day to develop a strong and positive movement practice in your life. I would love to invite you, and I would love to see you there. You can find it at sahirabellydances.com/jumpstart. I look forward to sharing the dance floor with you soon.